guys, welcome to the video and thanks for watching. We're looking at the Sparrows Classic Set pick review today. We weren't paid for by Sparrows to review this, and we're under no obligation to review this. So we thank you for watching the video and we hope you stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to open up Sparrows Lockpicks Classic Set. See what we have in here. Alright, so right off the bat you get two bypass drivers. There's just an American bypass and got the Adams right and the American bypass. So that's cool. You know, as lock sporters don't typically want the bypass drivers, but Locksmith, if you're trying to do locksmithing, or if you just need this for your own purposes, a bypass driver is super handy. And these are some quality, there's some quality bypass drivers. They got really cool, what kind of like a rubber resin base handle, pretty thick. So if you do put these in your kit, you're probably only going to be able to fit these in one slot. So you got two bypass drivers, Adams right and American. Yep. And then we have 6 tensioners. So 3Z. And they're 3 different sizes, but the same thickness for each of them, it looks like. Yep. And then you get 3 just windshield wiper insert tensioners. Unfortunately, with just my preference, I don't like the bend and the tensioners. These ones tend to reduce feedback a little bit, but hey, as a starter set, this is pretty good, and it'll get you opening up some of your first locks. And then we have a rake and a city rake. So you got your city rake, and then you got city rake, and just your standard rake there. And then you get, let's see if we can get this in focus. Looks like you get 3 different hooks. Darn. 3 different hooks, and zoom in even more. These two, which are my personal favorites, are the flat topped or the flat tip hooks. They tend to not slip on key pins as easily. Another thing you obviously get when you're getting the classic set is this awesome case, and this for the money alone is worth it in my opinion. So what's amazing about Sparrows this classic set, let me zoom out here, sorry about all that. The classic set, it has the ability to fold in half, and then you take the straps and you button them to those buttons on the top, and you can set this up. So if you don't have a stand, well, here's your stand. Let me see if, I don't know why the camera's not focusing. There we go. Yeah, so it has 2 different height differentials. You can set it high, the top buttons, and it sits up even higher. So yeah, for the Sparrows Classic Set, it will run you around $52 for all of these. It's the 3Z wrenches and the 3 more wiper insert wrenches with a twist. get a city rake and a regular rake, and you get 4 hooks, 2 bypass drivers. And you know, if you're getting this set, I mean, there are other things you can throw in there, such as some top of the keyway wrenches. Of course, for this set, we just went ahead and did like a 3-in-1 combo. For starting out, it's not bad, you know. This one also comes with the comb bypasses, or the comb picks. They're for opening up many master locks will open with these comb picks, as well as this bigger one has a tubular tensioner on it, which I kind of like that. And some other things you could put in there, which we'll look at another day, or just, you know, pick up a couple more things to put in your pack here, because you do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and you can fit quite a few picks in there. But today, guys, that's going to be it, and we looked at the Sparrows Classic Set, and thanks for watching, and I hope you have a